Underground car meet in Odaiba during Tokyo Auto Salon. They're kicking us out right now because there's way too many people here, but I'm gonna walk around here real quick, show you guys some clean builds. Holy crap, these are just regular street cars people are driving around in. So freaking dope, dude. Oh, what's up, Mr. Brian? Good. I'm just trying to do a quick run because they're kicking us all out. Where is it? Is it over there? All right, I'm gonna go over there. Run around. Yes, sir. Mr. Brian from the Top Rank. Ooh, that's dope. That's dope. More cars. It's unbelievably hot down here. Just letting you guys know. We got like 30 pounds of, I guess, raincoats. Wow, that's a really dope red. Ooh, Subi. Nice. Nice, nice. So good. Lotus Esprit. Mini Cooper. Oh my gosh, dude. RWBs on that side. And then 240s. Some Sylvias for 240s. So American. GTR. GTR. RWBs. Sorry, boys. I'm trying to run through this so we can get some content because they're kicking us all out right now. Ooh. Holy crap, dude. So many RWBs. More on that side. GTRs. Oh, God. Dang. 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 R-dubs. There's a Pepto-Bismol 997. Nice. What else is over here? Ooh, another 997. 964. R34. What's that? Midnight Purple? I don't know my Midnight Purples. I like that silver though. Another silver. Oh, this is Brian's car. Where is he? Top Rank. Mr. Roy? Red. R34. I mean red. White. More cars coming out. Everyone's coming out. Look. We're all getting kicked out. So you might as well record real quick. Wow. Dude, this blows our meats out of the water. Stan C34. Whoa. Another white. Brown?